welcome to APPMC 2023. We have here Mr. Sachin Patel from CME Group. CME Group is the leading derivative exchange for metal trading. How does CME Group facilitate and support the global market through its trading platform? Can you discuss any range of products offered by CME Group and how they cater the needs of market participants?
CME Group is the world's leading and most diverse derivatives exchange, and the metals business is just one part of it actually. Metals is one of 6 major asset classes that CME Group offers listed derivatives on. From the metals portfolio, we've come to be known and viewed as really the center of price discovery in the precious metals markets. And that's a position that we've had really held now for several decades. The portfolio itself is 4 major precious metals on which we have both futures and options. Gold is the biggest part of the portfolio and of course the big focus for the SBMA conference in the last couple of days, followed by silver and then platinum and palladium. And these are big global benchmarks that have existed now for several decades, actually in the case of silver almost 100 years. We are the largest precious metals exchange, particularly in gold, by quite some distance, having I believe it's well over 90% market share from a listed derivatives perspective. But really our place in the marketplace is sitting alongside adjacent markets, especially the OTC market in London and then some other regional markets, and to grow and develop liquidity together. And really we view ourselves in the OTC market as complements to each other, servicing different market participants with different needs.
So the metal industry is influenced by geopolitical and macroeconomics factor. How does CME Group adapt to changing market conditions and evolving customer needs in the metal market? Can you discuss any recent product development or market services introduced by the CME Group to meet the evolving demand of metal market participants?
We're a customer-focused business ultimately, and so we take our direction, future development of the portfolio directly from our customers. Validation with what the market needs is really at the core of what we do, and our general objective is to maximize liquidity. We want to be providing the tightest bid offers with the biggest book size so market participants can come and hedge or put investment related positions on any time of the day. Our market is open 23 hours a day, and really our work is to continuously try and evolve our markets and build liquidity. So we can do that in a variety of different ways, working with our existing customers to provide liquidity into our market is one thing. New client acquisition is a huge focus for the exchange, and actually it's a real big motivation for our presence here at the SBMA conference, because I think we encounter many clients that are perhaps new to the listed derivatives world, and so we want to have that conversation with customers, figure out what they need and offer our marketplace as an attractive hedging solution, and even maybe for the physical delivery of gold. So these are a couple of main ways that we would look to improve our market in terms of overall liquidity, working with existing market participants and then also finding new market participants. A specific product that we have developed recently has actually been on the options side. CME is not just a futures exchange, we have options on our gold futures. For the longest time, the options would trade as only monthly expiries, and one of the major developments we've had in the last few years is adding a series of weekly expiries into our portfolio. So we now have options that expire every Friday. Those products have been in existence for several years. And last year we added options that expired every Monday and Wednesday. So we have Monday, Wednesday and Fridays now. I think this is a really, really great example of tailoring our product offering to the needs of market participants. We want our customers to be able to manage risks which are related to certain events throughout the week, and NFP and FOMC. Various things can even happen over the weekend now, which can maybe impact the markets on the first thing on a Monday morning. So having all of these different expiries has given our customers much more flexibility in terms of managing their risks and putting on positions.
Asia is a significant player in the global metal market. How does CME Group engage with the Asian market and cater to specific needs of Asian participants? Can you discuss any partnership initiatives or localized services that your group has established to enhance its presence and support metal trading activities in Asia?
Asia is a huge place, and there's a lot of ground to cover. The way that we are set up, I personally manage the Asia Pacific portion of our metals business, and we have a separate sales team that cover across all of our various client segments: buy side, sell side, proprietary traders, customers with physical exposure, and then even the retail market. So it's a real team effort between folks such as myself, who is specifically on the product side, and our sales team to really cover as much ground as possible within the region. Now, in terms of specific things that we've done in Asia, I think it's really, really exciting that the metals business actually, from an overall CME Group perspective, has actually taken a very leading role in terms of partnerships locally. And in 2019, we actually launched futures contracts which are listed on the CME, listed on the COMEX exchange, but which settle to the Shanghai gold benchmark price, which is provided by the Shanghai Gold Exchange. So a really clear and obvious example of how we have partnered with a local Asia-based organization to actually offer products on our exchange which are linked to regional gold prices. So you can trade Shanghai gold on a CME Group platform as just a regular COMEX future. So that is really exciting. It's the first collaboration that we as an exchange have done from a commodities perspective with an organization in China, and we are continuously looking for other such opportunities where we can bring new products and interesting products which don't exist yet perhaps on an international exchange that our customers have expressed an interest to trade. So really, really exciting area of development for us, looking for these types of local partnerships and bringing adjacent markets to our global customer base.
Now, how is the experience of this conference, APPMC?
I love it. This conference, I have been attending this now for several years. I really missed it during the COVID years. It's incredible to see that even just from last year, the first time that it was hosted in person in a few years, and the growth to this year with, I believe it's 470 attendees and over 200 companies, it's phenomenal, and this has really become an important fixture in the gold calendar. So I think the SBMA continue to do a really, really impressive job. I'm very humbled to be part of this every single year, and this is a huge opportunity for me and CME Group, as I mentioned, to meet a customer base, some of which are quite new to us, and really to explore opportunities of how we can grow this market together. So really congratulations to everyone involved in this event. It's a really, really fantastic couple of days.
Thank you so much, sir.